Hello everybody, this is lesson number 107. What do you think this lesson could be related to? It's on a particular day. What day is it today? It is the 8th of March. So, what is March 8th known for? It's a very important day. It is the International Women's Day. So, this lesson is going to be on this special Women's Day. We will learn signs related to women. Woman. Woman. Determined. Determined. Tender, soft. Tender, soft. Gender, male, female or transgender. Gender, male, female or transgender. Sexism, oppression. Sexism, oppression. Pregnant. Pregnant. Married. Married. Unmarried. Unmarried. Divorced. Divorced. Stereotype, a fixed idea of a person. For example, the idea that a woman is only to do cooking and stay at home and do domestic work and not go out or anything like that. Now that we have learned some new signs related to women, this is the sign woman with a W. Let's recall some signs that we had learned in our previous lessons that are connected to women. So let's go over those signs once. We have already learned those signs in different lessons. So now let's take a look at those signs too together. Wife. Daughter. Beautiful. Woman. Girl. Mother. Grandmother. Older sister. Younger sister. Day. Celebration. Special. Women's Day is celebrated across the globe. Women's achievements are celebrated. their cultural, economic, and social achievements are remembered and celebrated. Various events are held everywhere to commemorate the special role of a woman in society, her contributions to the family, and her achievements in society and in the community are celebrated and remembered. A woman's responsibilities are applauded, encouraged, admired, and celebrated on this day. Various programs are held to raise awareness on women-related issues and the importance of the role of a woman. Lectures and presentations are conducted on gender-related issues. In-depth information is given on gender parity. Various NGOs also raise funds and conduct charity events to support women undergoing abuse and facing domestic violence and sexual discrimination. Seminars are conducted to help and raise awareness among women. We all need to remember that women hold a big responsibility in society. Through the years, we have seen how women have gone so forward and how they have been so successful in their lives. When a woman is happy, her whole family is happy. So everybody remember to be happy. It is a happy Women's Day. Wish you all a happy Women's Day. Thank you. Bye-bye.